So, hi, dear Cancer. Very, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is our general 7 days, 7 oracle messages for all the Cancer, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 18 till the 24th of May 2026. Keep in mind, these are general messages. They might or might not resonate. If they does, good. If they don't worry about it. Just let it be. What else? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2 links are given below. So let's start. Okay, let's see the overall energy for Cancer people for this week. हाय मैं मर ही जाऊं जो तुझको ना पाऊं रातें बिताऊं होठों पे लम्हा लम्हा. So we have the perspective for this week for you guys, Cancer. There's a better way. Pause for reflection and insight. Dare to be different. If you guys are planning to do something different, but you are scared of the society, scared of the so-called four people, what they're going to say about you, what they're going to think about you, then let them do their own shit. You just do yours, right? Dare to be different. And there's a better way to resolve a situation, to understand a situation. You might be stuck on one particular way, or my way is the highway kind of a thing. You guys have to come out of that energy and pause for reflection and insight before you guys are going to make any kind of decision or choices that might affect your life on a deeper level. Okay, so let's start for per day. For 18th, I'm going to make it very quick and short, crisp. For 18th, we have the Seven of Michael. There's a better course of action available to you for a particular situation. Again, you guys have to drop this energy of my way or highway is the kind of energy, and you have to look for other options, other energies too. You have to be flexible and open enough to understand other perspective, other energies too. Working alone may not be the best answer. Right now, you can hire somebody, you can connect with somebody, you can collaborate, you can have partnerships, and things are going to be much more better for you, much better for you, much beautiful and positive for you. Review all the details before you guys are going to sign anything or collaborate with anybody or do something that might change your life for the long term, right? So review all the details before falling into some kind of trap that you should not be. 19th, we have the Empress. Time to act upon your plans. Now, you might be planning something from quite a long time now, and you are not acting on your plans. Now, the time has come for you guys to act upon your plans. Creativity is going to be rewarded for you guys. The more you are going to be creative, the more you are going to use your creative side, your feminine side in your work, the more it's going to be rewarded, and it's going to become enjoyable too. Luxurious or abundant resources. The universe is going to provide you with beautiful, abundant, and prosperous resources. Make sure you guys are not going to abuse it, or you guys are not going to overuse it, or do something that you should not be doing with the resources. Don't take them for granted. Simple as that. I have seen a lot of people doing that. So we have 18, 19, 20th, we have the Six of Ariel. Material needs get fulfilled in magical and unexpected way. You guys are going to get some kind of financial gains. You guys are going to get some kind of good amount of money, maybe rewards, maybe something really good is going to be there for you guys when it comes to your materialistic or financial needs. Act of kindness is going to be rewarded. You guys are going to be rewarded for your kindness, or people around you are going to be very kind with you. Giving or receiving with a grateful heart. You guys will be able to give or receive with a grateful heart, and or you should cultivate the attitude of gratitude in your energy, so that universe is going to bless you more and more, and you're going to feel much more better and peaceful than you are right now. Attitude of gratitude is going to really help you. 18, 19, 20. 21st, we have the King of Ariel. Your plans are working out really well. If you guys are going to act upon your plans, your plans have the energy to act to work out really well for you guys. Professional and financial success is also foreseen. Using resources wisely. Use your resources really very, very wisely this week, Cancer. Universe is going to provide you something really good, something really meaningful. Again, if you're not going to use it wisely, if you're going to take it for granted or abuse it, it might not be a good idea. You might lose something really meaningful and good, okay? 22nd, we have the Peace. Release the past. You might be stuck on a past person, past situation, or past ways of thinking or doing certain things in your life. Now the time has come for you guys to release the past and not to keep yourself stuck on a past person, past situation. There is a more enriching future coming. Only if you are going to make your present peaceful, only if you are going to start living in the present moment and be happy in the present moment, the future is also going to be enriching and beautiful for you guys. Let go and let God. Let go and surrender to the divine. Let go and let God. Some things, some situations we can't do anything about. All we can do from our side as a human is to surrender and let the universe do its job. 23rd, we have the strength card. Strength and grace through kindness. Kindness is the biggest strength that anybody can embody in their nature, in their energies. A lot of people take kindness as weakness. Don't worry about it. Just be kind enough and be in the strong energies. Strength and grace through kindness is something that is really, really, really sexy, really beautiful and meaningful for all of us, right? As a human, as a soul. Self confidence is going to help you guys to come out of some kind of situation that might be keeping you trapped in some way, shape, or form. And forgiveness is also required for you guys in order to move forward in your life, whether it's towards yourself, whether it's like you asking for forgiveness, and or whether it's energy of people who should like you, who you should forgive and move forward. I think it's more towards yourself for those things, people, or situations that you tried your best to give your best, but you failed, or you were not able to give your best, but you tried your best. Whatever the case may be, forgiveness is the energy that you guys should embody, at least on this day. Try. And then 24th, we have the three of profile, reasons to celebrate, a community of friends, happy announcements regarding relationship or children. You guys are going to get some kind of very beautiful reason to celebrate your life. You guys are going to connect with a community of friends, community of people, soul family members. Happy announcement regarding relationship or children. You guys are going to get some kind of happy and beautiful announcements regarding relationship or children, maybe some kind of news of pregnancy, maybe extended family, or for some of you, you might end up connecting with your partner on a deeper level. But it's a really good day to enjoy your bonds and connections and relationships. Let's see the final message, the guidance for you guys for this week. We have the Seven of Ariel. You have invested wisely. You have invested very, very wisely in a particular situation, maybe your career, maybe in general in your finances. Have patience and wait for the harvest. Now, don't be impatient. Don't be in this energy of wanting to get the results today only. If you have done something, you finished something today, you wanted the results today only. Have some patience, and things will start working out in your favor. You will be able to get the rewards and award of your hard work very, very soon. Review your progress and make plans for your next endeavor. So whatever you have learned from whatever you have done till this point of your life in a particular situation, learn from your mistakes. Now embrace whatever you have done, because you have done a fantastic job, but modify and do better. Update, upgrade, update, and modify. Okay, and move to the next chapter. Don't just sit around and wait for the results to come. They will come whenever they are supposed to come. But for the time being, whatever you have learned, whatever you have learned from your mistakes, your strengths, your weaknesses, make a good guide of that and move forward. Okay, start working on your next project or next endeavor or whatever you call it, honey. Okay, my love. So this is what I have for you for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.